on a long and lonesome highway east of Omaha. You can listen to the engine moaning out as one long song. You think about the woman, the girl you knew the night before. And your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing much to do. It don't feel much like riding, you just wish the trip was through. Well, here I am, oh, I'm on the road again. Here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, I'm playing the star again. Here I go, turn the page. You walk into a restaurant, strung out from the road. You feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, just want to explode. Yeah, sometimes you can't hear them talking, other times you can't. It's the same old cliches. Is it a woman or a man? You always feel outnumbered, you don't dare make a stand. Well, here I am, oh, I'm on the road again. Here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, yeah, I'm playing the star again. Here I go.